Welcome to GuestShip. We'll now create a domestic shipment using the GuestShip service. So we simply log in. And we'd click Login. Now we're going to use the test environment for today's demonstration. We simply click on Create New Shipment. And we come here to Guest Destination. We enter the guest's name. Enter the destination postal code. In this case, we will try something in Toronto. And enter a telephone number. The email address of the guest. Tax ID is not necessary. On the package description here, we enter the quantity of items being sent. The description, in this case, let's say it is a phone charger. Approximately £1. You can declare any insurance value you'd like here, but $10 is usually sufficient. And the shipment date, depending on the time of day, if you're doing it in the morning or later in the day, you may want to choose either that same day or the next day, simply to start the fishing process for new quotes. It's not necessarily the day that will be picked, so let's just say we want a shipment date for tomorrow. We simply click on Get Quote. The information here is not editable. This is at the account level when we open up the hotel's account. And we click Get Quote. The GuestShip system will produce a variety of quotes for your guests to choose from. And let's just take a quick look at what one of them would look like. We can expand this and see the amounts of what the shipment will involve. You can either download the quote yourself in a PDF, or if the hotel wishes to pay for the shipment themselves, they can review the quote and pay directly for the client. But typically this would not be the scenario. It would be one where you would simply send to the guest. So we click Send to Guest, send the quotes. Very well, sent successfully. We will now open our test guest email address. They will see an email from GuestShip. Dear test guest, for your convenience, GuestShip demo has kindly prepared a GuestShip shipping quote to return your item. So we simply review the shipping quote options here. And this will produce for the guest on their screen the exact same that the hotel will see. They can shop for whichever option they prefer. Let's say they want to have the Express Saver option again. We'll pick this, say OK. Now, they can edit the quote if they so wish to do so. Let's say they wanted to add a suite number to the address. They can simply make the edit and get the quote again. It'll be the same amount. Click on the preferred quote that they would like. Review quote and pay. This will be the waybill information, where we have the shipping information here, the recipient information here, quick summary of the object being shipped and this particular shipper being used, the total fee. They accept the terms and conditions. Hit Pay Now. This will bring them to a PayPal link. If the client has a PayPal account, they can use the PayPal account. If they do not, they can simply pay either by Visa or MasterCard, American Express, whatever's more convenient for them, directly in PayPal without opening an account. So since we have a test PayPal account, to show you how this works, we will click this here. So we open our PayPal account. in. We select Pay Now. And the order is complete. We'll now be redirected back to the GuestShip page. We will now come and see what happens on the hotel email side. So we get a notification from GuestShip, which informs the hotel that the guest has paid for their shipping. Now we must schedule the pickup. So we'll click directly on the link to schedule the pickup. So we selected FedEx. The labels for domestic shipping must be produced, which GuestShip will automatically produce for you. This only needs to be printed once with the package. Simply print this and include it with the box. And here, book the pickup. So let's say we want to book a pickup for tomorrow, the 18th, between 10 a.m. and, let's say, noon. We click Confirm. Yes. And the shipping is booked. And now back to the guests' email. They will receive one email upon confirming their payment through PayPal. And as soon as the hotel has scheduled the pickup, they will receive their order confirmation and tracking number through the shipping service that they've selected. And we've included a quick link here for Track My Package, in which they can copy and paste their tracking number directly into the shipper's system and follow their package as it goes along. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is all that is involved with GuestShip. Now return the item.